Now that we have a UDT definition created, here motor, I can actually now create instances of this UDT as actual tags in Ignition. So to do this, it's pretty simple. We can right click on any folder we want to create the UDT tag in and say new tag and now specify data type instance. Every data type that you've created, the definitions, will exist right here. You'll see it. So I only have one, so motor shows up. So I can create a new instance of motor. When I create a new instance of motor, I need to give it the instance a name. So that's just naming the tag. So I'm going to call this one simply motor1. You then have to specify a value for each parameter that is used in the configuration of that UDT. So here I have device name that I want to point to CLX, which is my ControlLogix, and the motor number, I'm going to specify a value of 1. As soon as I do that, I can press OK, and my instance will be created in Ignition. So here you can see motor1, the data type is motor. If I expand it, I can see that the tags are actually working okay. If the tags had bad quality and they weren't working correctly, we would need to have some indication as to why what was wrong. And so this is where you can actually, in the tag browser, show the OPC item path in the list so you can see exactly what Ignition translated that path to. So here you can see that my paths are correct, but you can see the actual OPC item path that the parameters being stuck into them of what's happening here. So I can actually now maybe copy and paste that to motor2 and then go in here and modify the motor number 2. Press OK, and now this is going to point to a different motor. And you can see by looking at the paths, one's going to M1, the other one's going to M2. So creating instances is really simple once you have the definition already in place.